Body Break.
Body Break with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Making your lifestyle a healthier one is as easy as being more active and making small changes in your eating habits.
When you do this, you'll have more energy. So this summer, try a new activity such as kayaking or taking a 30-minute walk after dinner, as well as reduce the amount of sugar in your diet.
To help get you started on this healthier lifestyle, here's a great tasting citrus salsa recipe that has lots of flavor. In a large bowl, mix 4 peeled and chopped Roma tomatoes, 2 peeled and diced large oranges, 1 chopped onion, 2 seeded and minced jalapeno chilies, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 packets of no-calorie sweetener, like Splenda. It's lower in calories and carbohydrates than sugar and is ideal for the whole family, including those people who are trying to achieve a healthy body weight or for people with diabetes. Now allow the citrus salsa to stand at room temperature for an hour, then mix. Either store it in the refrigerator or serve the salsa with baked tortilla chips or add it on top of grilled chicken or fish.
If you'd like a copy of our recipe, visit our website at bodybreak.com.
Needing more energy? Well, make small lifestyle changes like being more active and improve your eating habits.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.
Body Break.
Body Break.